News this evening. We had to act. Health Minister defends tougher COVID-19 measures in Manchester. What went wrong? Manchester Municipal Corporation assesses the management of the COVID pandemic in the parish. And delay PEP. The JTA calls for the primary exit exams to be pushed back.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Vashan Brown. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, e-prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Tonight we're asking, what activities have you been engaging in to cope with the stresses brought on by the coronavirus pandemic?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues after this break. What's about to be?